Sometimes, your research will call for you to use technical drawings or newly invented processes, methods, or devices. A great place to get this information is through patents. Patents officially guarantee an inventor the exclusive right to make, use, or sell their invention for a set period of years. To be awarded a patent, the invention must meet 3 criteria. Utility. Does it have a useful purpose, and does it operate as expected? Novelty. It must be new and unique. Non-obvious. It has to be sufficiently different from existing products or other patents to warrant a new patent. There are 3 types of patents that can be awarded. Plant patents, for distinct and new plant varieties, like this one for a new variety of corn, awarded to Monsanto. Design patent, for new and non-obvious ornamental design for manufactured items, like this cup from Coca-Cola. And utility patents, for processes, machines, manufacturers, or compositions of matter, like this patent for monitoring fluid flow through a pipe by Dr. Roel Sneeder. Now that you know a little bit more about patents, how can you find them? Get started on our Finding Patents Research Guide. It has a list of different patent collections, as well as more detailed information about the patenting process. Where you search and how in-depth that search is depends on your needs. Are you looking for design or product examples? A Google patent search may be enough. For example, I would like to find other patents that are similar to Dr. Sneeder's. So, I search for Sneeder, fluid flow, pipe, and I find several other patents that may be of interest to me. Perhaps you want to go a little bit more in depth and find work being done outside the U.S. Look to other patent agencies on the Patent Research Guide, like CIPO for Canadian patents, ESPOSNet for the European Patent Office, or the Japanese Patent Office. However, if you are in-depth searching or considering patenting your own work, then you will need to go directly to the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's database. On the Patent Office website, you will typically search by patent number, keywords, or classification. Interested in learning more about searching the Patent Office's database? See the in-depth tutorials on the Finding Patents Guide for more details. Now that you've found a patent that might be useful in your research, take some time to read through it. Several sections will have useful information to help you determine its suitability for your project and to help you find similar patents. Look for the inventor and any assignees, the current status of the patent and expiration date, classifications, which can be a great way to find similar patents, and the technical drawings and images. Be sure to read all the way to the bottom of the patent. There you will see patents cited by this one, non-patent citations, and patents that cite this one, all of which could lead you to other items you'll want to consider in your research. Finding and reading patents can be tricky. Patents are only one of the many research tools out there. Be sure to look through our research LibGuides or talk to a librarian to learn more tips on navigating the library's resources.